Having some Milwaukee Power Tools in hand can transform your every project into a masterpiece that will make you stand out among your colleagues. So in today's video, we'll show you the 10 best Milwaukee Power Tools. Let's start with the M18 Linear Utility Crimper from Milwaukee, a user-friendly tool designed for the effortless crimping of utility connectors. Its streamlined, inline design and well-balanced grip allow for convenient, one-handed operation in various orientations. With an enlarged trigger and electronic release button, both left and right-handed users can activate the tool effortlessly, even while wearing Class 3 gloves without needing to adjust their hand position. The crimper's head can rotate up to 340 degrees, and the quick-release latch pin, featuring a push-to-close style, can be easily opened or secured with a single touch. Additionally, a pre-crimp battery check feature verifies that the battery has sufficient charge to complete a full crimp. This reliable tool incorporates fully enclosed high-speed hydraulics, a brushless motor, and red lithium batteries, making it exceptionally durable in the harshest conditions. This is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hammer Drill, a powerhouse in the industry, offering unparalleled drilling capabilities for even the toughest materials. It stands out as the most powerful hammer drill available, enabling high-speed drilling of large holes in dense substances. Not only does it provide exceptional performance, but it also prioritizes safety with its auto-stop control mode. This innovative feature prevents over-rotation in a bind-up situation, boasting the best reaction time in the industry. Moreover, the drill incorporates RedLink Plus intelligence, guaranteeing maximum performance while protecting against overloads, heating, and over-discharge. With the M18 red lithium battery packs, users can expect more work per charge and an extended lifespan compared to competing models. To top it off, the all-metal ratcheting chuck sets the standard for durability and reliability in its class. Now, let's check out the Milwaukee Mounting Fan, an exceptional tool that delivers powerful airflow on any job site. An airspeed of up to 14 miles per hour ensures rapid and efficient cooling, drying, or ventilation. Its innovative design features a 6-inch blade diameter and turbine-like head, propelling air at an impressive rate. One of the key features of this fan is its versatility in mounting options. It can be easily installed in various locations around the job site thanks to its compact size and integrated mounting features. This allows for optimal placement and targeted airflow wherever it is needed. The M12 mounting fan offers 3 speed settings: high, medium, and low, granting users precise control over the airspeed. Additionally, using an M12 XC 6.0 battery can provide up to 15 hours of continuous operation on a single charge, ensuring extended usability throughout the day. The Milwaukee Abrasive Chop Saw is a portable and powerful cutting solution that delivers unmatched cordless cutting speed. Its 4,000 RPM brushless motor ensures consistent power and cut speed for efficient performance. Its RedLink Plus intelligence feature provides protection against overload, overheating, and over-discharge, while the Rapid Stop Blade Brake stops the blade within 3 seconds of trigger release for enhanced safety. It also offers tool-free blade change and fence adjustment, simplifying the process and saving time. With the high output 12 ampere-hour battery pack, it can provide up to 200 cuts per charge in 20-gauge steel studs. Overall, this portable chop saw is a reliable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Milwaukee Sheet Sander. This tool is made for elevating the performance of professional carpenters, remodelers, and general contractors. Engineered to deliver unparalleled power with a staggering 13,000 max OPM, this quarter-inch orbital sander will revolutionize your productivity on the job site. It will eliminate the hassle of cords by offering class-leading dust collection, ensuring a cleaner work environment. This tool also provides optimal comfort and control with its low vibration and ergonomic design, effectively reducing fatigue. Achieve precision removal on a wide variety of materials with the variable speed dial. Let's not forget to mention the dust collection system that is accompanied by a durable dust bag to reduce cleanup time. So now, upgrade your sanding experience with the Milwaukee Sheet Sander and unlock new levels of performance and convenience on the job. Now, here's something for professional and DIY landscapers. This is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Self-Propelled Mower. This dual battery mower effortlessly dominates any terrain with its self-propelled capability. An optimized steel deck design and enhanced blade speed deliver unmatched airflow and pristine cut quality in mulching, bagging, or side discharge applications. Powered by the high-torque Power State brushless motor, it outperforms 200cc gas engines, tackling even the most demanding mowing tasks. With lightning-fast throttle response and up to 60 minutes of runtime, this mower effortlessly covers up to half acre. Boasting a steel deck, 3-in-1 grass management, single-point height adjustment, high lift mode, LED lights, and convenient vertical storage, the M18 self-propelled mower epitomizes innovation and convenience. Prepare to experience a whole new level of efficiency and convenience as the Milwaukee M12 cable stapler becomes your go-to companion, ensuring precision and speed with every staple. This tool combines robust stapling capabilities with a sleek and lightweight design, providing easy access to tight stud bays and enhanced ergonomics for overhead or hard-to-reach stapling tasks. In addition to its movable cable guides, the coil spring mechanism consistently sinks staples to the ideal depth, easily securing NM-B sheath cable and low-voltage cables, maximizing stapling productivity like never before. Designed exclusively for use with our 1-inch insulated staples, the M12 cable stapler empowers you to sync up to an astounding 1,200 staples on a single charge of the M12 CP 2.0 ampere-hour battery, providing the runtime you need to conquer your projects. Introducing the Milwaukee Impact Wrench, a tool that elevates your work with its raw power, precision, and unflagging commitment to innovation. With the mighty Power State brushless motor, it effortlessly delivers a mind-blowing 2,000 foot-pound of nut-busting torque and 1,900 foot-pound of fastening torque, placing it at the pinnacle of cordless impact wrenches. With the ability to remove and install up to 120 lug nuts on a single HD 12.0 amp-hour battery, it sets new standards for productivity. With the automatic shutoff function of the OneKey TM app, you will be able to ensure precise control by using the patented lug nut mode. Benefit from RedLink Plus intelligence which safeguards the 6-inch extended anvil impact wrench against overloads, overheating, and over-discharge while maximizing its capabilities. This high-torque cordless impact wrench offers extended runtime and longevity with M18 red lithium battery packs. Thanks to its versatile 4-mode drive control, you have unrivaled command over speed and power. Take your gardening to new heights with the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Hedge Trimmer, custom designed to take care of all your garden trimming needs. This handy tool will empower you to transform your outdoor haven into a botanical wonderland. Its compact design will enchant you, offering a feather-light experience and effortless single-handed control, effortlessly conquering even the tightest access areas. With its blade tip guard, the delicate beauty of your plants and the blades themselves remain unscathed, preserving the harmony of your outdoor sanctuary. And the enchantment continues as the M12 Hedge Trimmer seamlessly integrates with over 125 solutions with the M12 system, revealing endless possibilities to nurture and cultivate your garden paradise. Embrace the symphony of precision and botanical prowess as the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Hedge Trimmer becomes the magical wand that brings your garden dreams to life. To conclude, we have the Milwaukee handheld sprayer on the list, crafted to fulfill the demands of professional landscape maintenance and pest control. These battery-powered sprayers grant you instant, consistent, and adjustable pressure of up to 80 psi, propelling your spraying endeavors to new heights. Unleash your versatility with the 3-mode pressure adjustment knob, allowing you to tailor the pressure between 20 to 80 psi, unlocking a wide range of applications. Powered by the M12 CP 2.0 battery, these sprayers deliver up to 80 gallons of spraying per charge, ensuring you have the stamina to tackle any task. The M12 handheld sprayer powered head seamlessly pairs with both the 1-gallon and 2-gallon handheld sprayer tank, granting you the freedom to select the ideal tank size for your application and the ability to pre-mix multiple tanks, elevating your productivity to new heights. Okay, that was the list of the 10 best Milwaukee Power Tools. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.